Starting a new job can feel scary. Your heart beats fast, you don't know what to say. But what if you had simple English sentences ready in your mind? Today, I will help you speak calmly and confidently on your first day at work. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our cozy English practice space. Starting a new job can feel exciting and a little scary. Maybe your hands feel cold. Maybe your mind feels blank. But today, I promise you something simple. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say on your first day at work. And here is a small question for you. Have you ever felt nervous before saying hello in English? Stay with me. Let's practice together. First, greeting your team. On your first day, you will meet new people. Simple sentences are powerful. You can say, "Hi, I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you." "Hello, I just started today. I'm excited to be here." You don't need long sentences. Remember this idiom. First impressions matter. This means people remember how you act at the beginning. But don't worry, you don't need to be perfect. Just be polite. Pause and repeat after me. "Hi, I'm..." "It's nice to meet you." Good. If someone says, "Welcome to the team," you can reply, "Thank you. I'm happy to join." "Thanks. I'm looking forward to working with you." Looking forward to equals feeling excited about the future. Second, introducing yourself. You may need to introduce yourself in a small meeting. Keep it simple. "Hi everyone, my name is..." "I'll be working as a..." "I'm really happy to be here." That's enough. Let me give you a short story. On my first day at work, my voice was shaking. I forgot what I wanted to say. I felt embarrassed. But then I smiled and said, "Sorry, I'm a little nervous. It's my first day." Everyone laughed kindly. One person said, "Don't worry, we've all been there." We've all been there means everyone has had the same experience. And suddenly, I felt calm. You see, you don't need perfect English. You need honesty. Third, asking questions. It's okay to ask questions. In fact, it's good. You can say, "Could you please show me how this works? Who should I ask about this? What time does the meeting start? Where can I find the documents?" Idiom, better safe than sorry. It means asking questions is better than making mistakes. Repeat after me. "Could you please explain that again?" Excellent. Fourth, small talk. Small talk is light, friendly conversation. Topics: the office, the weather, lunch, the city. You can say, "How long have you worked here? Do you usually eat lunch here? The office is very nice." Keep your tone friendly. Smile gently. Today, you can do these small actions. 1. Write your introduction, 3 sentences. 2. Practice saying "nice to meet you" 10 times. 3. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. Small steps, big confidence. Word tour. 1. Nervous, feeling worried. Example: "I feel nervous today." She is nervous about her job. He looks nervous. Don't be nervous. It's normal to feel nervous. 2. Confident, feeling sure. Example, I feel confident. She speaks confidently. Be confident. He is confident at work. Confidence grows with practice. 3. Introduce. Say who you are. Example, let me introduce myself. She introduced her friend. I will introduce you. He introduced the new worker. Please introduce yourself. 4. Colleague, co-worker. 5 simple examples. 5. Meeting, work discussion. 5 simple examples. 6. Manager, boss. 5 simple examples. 7. Task, job to do. 5 simple examples. 8. Deadline, final time. 5 simple examples. 9. Friendly, kind. 5 simple examples. 10. Support, help. 5 simple examples. Shadow practice. Repeat after me. Manager, welcome to the team. You, thank you. I'm happy to be here. Colleague, is this your first day? You, yes, I just started today. Colleague, let me know if you need help. You, thank you. I appreciate that. Today, you practiced real English for your first day at work. Remember, confidence grows step by step. Now your micro challenge. Write 1 sentence in the comments. Hi, my name is... I'm happy to join the team. I will read your comments. If this helped you, subscribe to Daily Dialogue English. Share this with a friend who is starting a new job. You are ready. You can do this. See you in the next cozy lesson.